Hey guys, hope everything is good on your side. This is your host, Shreyas. Today, we are going to talk about the top 10 career options in science. So, before we begin, make sure to subscribe to Dheya's YouTube channel and follow Dheya Career Mentors on Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, and Instagram, of which the links are given in the description box below. And by chance, if you missed to watch the last episode, make sure to go and watch it by clicking right over here. Let's go. Number 10. Chemist. Chemists typically work in laboratories, either at research and development departments of science firms, pharmaceutical manufacturing plants, testing laboratories, or as part of the government. There, they conduct experiments to mix ingredients, test substances with complex equipment, and gather information about the elements, atoms, and molecules that compose a substance. With the help of computer softwares, chemists develop virtual models that show how the components of a substance are structured. Number 9. Nuclear technicians. Nuclear technicians observe the performance of nuclear power equipment to make sure that research and power generation are done safely. Depending on their job responsibilities, nuclear technicians may use equipments such as radiation detectors, spectrometers, dosimeters, and particle accelerators. They analyze radiation in the air, soil, and water to determine levels of radiation and radioactive communication. Number 8. Horticulturist. Horticulturists work with plants, applying their knowledge to fruits, vegetables, ornamentals, and non-food crops to maximize their health or growth. They may also design landscapes or manage golf courses and sports turfs. Horticulturists do work in plant production. They may also find work in management, marketing, education, and research. Number 7. Hydrologist. Hydrologists gather samples of both water and soil and evaluate properties like volume and flow of bodies of water. They use remote sensing equipment, high-tech computer modeling softwares, global positioning systems that is GPS, and geographic information systems that is GIS to gather and analyze data on problems like pollution and droughts, as well as possibilities such as the viability of creating new irrigation systems and hydroelectric power plants in a given location. They also study the process of precipitation affecting bodies of water and evaporating. Number 6. Medical scientists. Medical scientists conduct experiments and clinical trials, tests, hypotheses, and gather data. They oversee research to make sure that the process is safe, prevent contamination by potentially dangerous pathogens, and gather data that is as accurate as possible. Appropriately conducting research is an important part of medical science, but so is analyzing the data collected to learn more about the causes of medical conditions and the possible ways of treating them. Number 5. Biochemists and biophysicists. These scientists study the chemical and physical properties of organisms to learn about important biological processes. They research how cells develop and how organisms from the simplest to the most complex grow. Laboratory-based research and experiments are essential to the field of biochemistry and biophysics. Biochemists and biophysicists use a variety of equipment to study living things, from lasers and electron microscopes to computer modeling softwares. Number 4. Atmospheric scientists. Atmospheric scientists are researchers who study the atmosphere to help us understand and solve serious problems, from severe storms and air pollution to droughts and the consequences of climate change. Atmospheric scientists collect data including temperature, humidity, pressure, and wind speed. They analyze that data with the help of mathematical and computer models. Number 3. Geoscientists. Geoscientists study the Earth's structures, composition, processes, and all of its physical properties. By learning more about our planet, These scientists can better understand the past and predict future changes in the Earth. Within the discipline of geosciences, there are many specialities, including geology, geochemistry, geophysics, petroleum geology, seismology, oceanography, paleontology, and engineering geology. Number 2. Astronomer. Astronomers study the structures in space, including stars, planets, galaxies, and black holes. They research the properties, movements, and compositions of these objects and carefully record and analyze data. This is another field of science that requires the ability to perform complex mathematical calculations. Number 1. Physicists. Physicists calculate and analyze data. They generate theories to explain phenomena and test those theories through experimentation. Their work requires an understanding of complicated mathematics for doing calculation and of the scientific method for appropriately planning and conducting experiments to get accurate data. They also use complex equipments including lasers, electron microscopes, and particle accelerators, among others. There you have it, guys. That's it from my side. Hope you liked the video. If you did, make sure to share it as much as possible. Once again, make sure to subscribe, like, and follow Theia Career Mentors on Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, YouTube, and Instagram, of which the links are given in the description box below. And by chance, if you missed the last episode, make sure to go and watch it again by clicking right over here. And its link is also given in the description box below. Thank you very much for tuning in today. Make sure to stay tuned for the upcoming Friday, wherein we will bring you another exciting video on another exciting topic. Have fun and keep learning.